There is a way to win a chess game in only 10 moves. Do not try this on any high rated opponent as it will never work. Instead, if your elo is from between 400 to 1000 elo, this trap is perfect. So it starts off with e4 and e5, and then after knight f3 and knight c6, we can play bishop c4, developing a light square bishop. Now, most players play knight f6, trying to capture the e4 pawn, but then we can simply play knight g5. Here we are double attacking the f7 pawn, which is only defended by the king. However, now black can play d5, trying to block off the bishop, but then we can simply capture, and after the knight takes back, we can sacrifice the knight on f7, forking the queen and rook, forcing black to take with the king, but then we can play queen f3, check. Now there are two variations to this. The first variation is if we move the king down on e6. Then we can play knight c3. The thing about knight c3 is, it is triple attacking the knight, and notice how the knight cannot take our knight because it is pinned to the king. And there is only one way to defend the knight, which is knight e7, or an alternative could also be knight b4, but even if those are played, black's king would still be badly exposed and is pretty much very vulnerable to a checkmate attack. So instead, let's see what will happen if he moves on g8. This is a massive blunder because then we can simply capture the knight with the queen giving a check, and notice how the black king has absolutely no squares to move to, so he is forced to take back with the queen, and then after you capture with the bishop, with the check, the bishop blocks and you capture the bishop, it's a checkmate.